Hello, Mr. Ledger. I'm getting some street shots. Oh. What's that sound? Stop. Oh Scott, what the heck? What is that? What? Mosquito. Let's throw a sample rock. Small. Whoa! Okay. Whoa! It went inside. It's drowning. What is that sound? What? Mom. Yes. Yes. Hello, Mr. Ledger. Today we're going to be exploring the canal again and the strange honking noise. Let's do this again.
And they're underground.
Oh, na. Sa na. Tanawa daw.
What they light?
Na kanina light.
Sige daw. Daw, pula daw. Pula mo daw po.
Ay.
Wala.
Magkulo ko, pwede? Sama to.
Kita, liquid. Kadung ka to?
Isa. Nice splash.
Wala man. Cita to.
Ang buto.
Ganun ano? Inside?
Marag inside. Dito. Nagbisit si boss. Wala na. Sige, ayun na sa. Hello, Mr. Elijah. Today we're going for the third and last time checking out with the spotlight of the car now. We have full beam. Let's go.
Where?
Sa kanang this way na sign.
This one.
Wala na? No. Ayan na.
Yeah.
Let's get out.
Don't know that one.
Ano man?
There might be another.
Can you face the car towards the spotlight? Okay, we are. Huh?
You're spotting my eye.
Oh.
Ah,
Lagi sir.
ha?
Lagi sir.
Dali, kana lang kita na ipam. Nadungog niya iyang ipaminaw. Unsa palaka?
Palaka sir.
Ah, anya dagana isa ra na.
Dalawa sir.
Ah, basi nagaon na. It's a frog.
Okay,
Sige, thank you ha.
thank you. Well, it's got me.
Two frogs.